We, the students of Carmel Convent High School,
welcome you all. I am Shruti Vinodizare.
I am Kruti Bol, I am Shweta Jadhav, I am Mudan Kulkarni, I am Lavanya Gaikwad. We are here to represent our model on Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Basically, Atmanirbhar Bharat means self-reliant India, an India that can produce, develop and grow using its own resources, skills and technology. It was launched by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in May 2020 to make India self-sufficient, self-independent in every sector, whether it is manufacturing, economy, trade, technology, skills, etc. The main idea of our model is vocal for local. It is said that we should use models based on which are made in India instead of depending on foreign goods. Problems before Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Dependence on other countries. India imported many goods like machineries, medicines and electronics. This increased foreign spending and weakened our local industries.
Unemployment and poverty. Lack of local industries mean fewer job opportunities for youth.
Weak infrastructure, poor roads, factories and digital networks slowed down progress.
Limited innovation and manufacturing. India had talent but not each facility to produce and innovate locally.
Economic slowdown, especially after COVID-19. Lockdown stopped business, trade, affecting the economy badly.
Currency. Our country used duplicate currency due to which we have suffered a lot.
Solutions through Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Promoting Made in India. Encouraging industries to manufacture goods within the country. Example, mobile phones, medicines, defense equipment, etc.
Boosting local business and startup. Government schemes support young entrepreneurs and small industries.
Developing infrastructure, building better roads, railways, digital system and smart cities.
Strengthening education and skills. Launching of Skill India mission to train youth for modern jobs.
Encouraging research and innovations. Projects like Chandrayaan, Digital India and Clean Energy shows India's scientific progress.
Now our country has made our own currency. We have also got success in making and using UPI and QR code.
Outcome what we gained.
More employment, opportunity for Indians.
Growth of local industries and export.
Improvement in healthcare, space and digital technology.
India moving toward becoming globally manufacturing hub.